Hello everyone, welcome to Getaroundcars online showroom. Now this has got to be a firm favourite from BMW. It's our BMW 320 diesel twin turbo. It's the 2-litre efficient dynamic. It's a 6-speed manual with a brake horsepower of 161. But more importantly, the road tax is only £20 a year, and that has a CO2 rating of only 109. Let's take a look. It's finished in a stunning black. We're just going to take our time just going around the vehicle. Now the efficient dynamic is known really for, well, its miles per gallon. And wait till you hear what we're going to say about that in a second. We have side repeat indicators built into the mirrors, which are colour coded to the body. And if we look inside the vehicle, it's a beautiful combination. We have the black on the outside and gorgeous ivory coloured seats on the inside. Ivory leather, which was a £1,250 option when new. This is not a standard vehicle. You also got beige carpet. Now on the door, we've got electric windows front and rear, electric mirrors. We have automatic headlights. If we look inside, we have a multifunction steering wheel. And right inside, we have radio CD player. It's a 6-speed manual. It's got the option of either comfort mode, sport mode, or eco mode. Or pro eco, I think they call it. Which gives you more miles per gallon again. Height adjustment on the driver's seat. Now just to give you some facts and figures. Urban, you can expect 54.3. Extra urban gives you a staggering 80.7 miles to the gallon. And combined, you've got 68.9. So whichever way you look, you're going to get fantastic miles per gallon. The alloy wheels are in great condition. The vehicle is 2012, it's a 62 plate, and since I think it was 2016, it's been owned by a doctor. It's got full BMW service history. To the rear, we've got rear parking sensors. If we open up the boot, lots of space in there. It's a very roomy car. With having full BMW service history, it means that you're buying something which has had some credible servicing. So, we've got full service history. We're going to sort of check it over as well. All our vehicles come with a 3-month parts and labour warranty. If you're concerned about the coronavirus, please don't worry. All our vehicles are fully sanitised for everyone's protection. But just let's take a nice close look all the way around. I'm going to look at all of the wheels. All of the wheels are in great condition. They haven't been curbed. It's a splendid car all round. It's value for money. Tinted glass all round. Top speed, if it's speed that you're after. Maximum speed 143 143 mile an hour with a 0 to 60 figure of 7.9 seconds. Now for a family-sized saloon, that's pretty good going. So you're going to get that, and you're also going to get excellent miles per gallon. So pick up the phone, give us a call, make an appointment, come and have a test drive. My name is Jim from Getaroundcars, where cars cost less. Call me on 07710 858066. Thank you for watching.